Hi, welcome. I'm Priscilla Batzell. This is Expressionist Fluid Art Studio Gallery's demonstrations and tutorials. Let's have some fun. This is a 5 by 7 inch canvas, and I have some interference purple that I want to use as a background in my sky, if it even turns out to be a sky, minus that thing I'm dragging along. I'm going to grab OXO Omelet Turning Flip and Fold spatula. I'm not going to worry about anything, strictly an experiment. I might want to still get rid of the little things that are leaving trails in my sky. And I suppose if I want to use some blue, I can do that later. Now the colors I want to test out. Peacock. Fandango. A little bit of indigo teal. A lot of primary elements sea glass. Might be more paint than I need already. And I wanted to throw in a little bit of rogue element. I think this is Wild Orchid. I always like purple with my greens. I think I'm going to throw some Sea Monster in there as well. And when I do my final piece, I probably won't use quite as much. So this is going to be fairly simple at the moment. Just white cell activator. Maybe a little more white cell activator. I'm going to grab a straw. See if I can make some adjustments. I kind of like that. Put a little moon in my sky and call it good. Wall of water. Although, now that I'm looking at it, get rid of some bubbles. Add some dots that look like foam flying up in the air. Maybe a few, oh I like that. Maybe a few curlicues. commonly referred to as spirals. Still trying to get rid of that one bubble. I don't think I need to do a whole lot of anything else. I collect waves on Pinterest, and it's amazing the configurations that they make up. Oh, I'm just messing around. Yeah, simple and done. I think that's going to be fine. Good colors. Yeah, that's a wall of water. So I had a little scar across the interference violet, and I just put a little damp dot. And I said I wanted to put a moon in, and I thought it might be cool to make it yellow, but then I changed my mind. I want to make it white. I'm going to use my nail art tool with the point on the end. I'm going to try and keep my head out of the way. I love how the rest of this turned out. And it doesn't have to be much of a moon. Maybe I should have left it just like it was. But I think the white is going to work better. And so that's that. Just a simple fingernail moon. Hi, this is Priscilla. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And if you'd like to be super helpful, please join the membership. My art is for sale. I'm here to help. If you have questions, feel free to ask. I have 2 books on paint pouring. They're found in the Amazon link, and the Amazon link is found on the link tree in the description underneath the video. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you come again. Bye for now. Priscilla out.